Alright, so I got a lot of this dug out here. I need to do just a little bit more stuff, I believe, here. I got the pit pretty much dug all the way up through here. Cleaned it out with a shovel. Everything's pulled back away from the building. Right here, what I'm doing is I'm busy digging this out to be able to run this drain over into the pit, and we got pipe for that. And once we get that done, kind of fill it in a little bit, we can lay down our geotextile fabric. So we have that, and we have a little bit more dirt here that needs to be moved up there. So that's what we're going to take care of today. So let's go get the kubota. Alright, so now that we have this pile of dirt here gone, we're going to start working on this. I'm going to get this dug out. I'm going to drag this dirt back out of the way because I'm going to need some of it to fill back in. And then we'll get this dug over to here, and we'll put our pipe in for this. So, here we go. So, you can see this here. I actually got a little ditch dug. Kind of beveled it down coming out this way for the water. It's just one of those times you kind of wish you had the backhoe option. So, I'm going to go grab the pipe and everything, and we're going to start getting this in here. Alright, well, we got our glue. We got a coupler because we're going to need that. Here's one 10-foot section. Here's our 90. We kind of have that setting in the location where it's going to be. So we're going to take and drop our tape measure down in. We're just kind of going to guestively figure 2 foot. See what happens there. Alright, we got our pipe test fitted to size. Had to clear a little bit more dirt out here on the right side toward that way. Now we got that fitted. I'm going to take this one here, I'm going to glue the coupler onto the one end with the glue, and then I'm going to glue it into there, and then I'm going to grab my level and make sure that I have fall coming off of here to the point where I'm out there, and then I'll measure my other pipe. And as long as I've got good fall and a place for the water to go down there. Alright, so we now have everything glued together. This is where we're running out at. I'm actually probably going to, I'll fill to maybe here where I did the triangle. And then I think when I lay the geo in, I'll lay a section this way so that I can fold it back over. And this will be a larger pit right here. I did want it a little bit lower to make sure that this does drain out. So, I mean, you can only go so deep, like I said. That time you wish you had a backhoe attachment. If I could have got it a little deeper, it would have stayed away some, but this is what we got to work with. So, if you're looking at this with a level, you can see the bubbles to this side, and we want that side higher. So if you actually wanted to come to level, so you know, you'd lift this side up, and if you do that and you measure out, you can see how much you have how much fall you have, which that's actually pretty good. got this pretty much filled in with what I can with the bucket and run it down, get it packed real nice and good. I got to bring the ripper teeth back up, and then I can push some with the box, which I think that'll make it a little bit easier to be able to get everything cleaned up here and pushed in against the building. Because I had the ripper teeth wrapped down, I was kind of trying to break this up because it was so well packed, and it's such a hard clay. Even through here, I couldn't even get the bucket to want to dig into here. But all right, we'll get this done, and you can see some box action. All right, they're up. Let's see what kind of stuff we can do here. Couple of finishing touches on here. We got this thing filled in here pretty good. Pipe's coming out here. Shovel some of that back before I fill this in, or actually put the geo down, because I'll tuck it underneath the pipe so it has a hole and it can come in. Try to get it pretty close around that. We'll have to see how that stuff lays.